ya kind of issue of galamsey nipa hu hia ne pa Nana Jantuah of Ensila FM. Hey, man, your need just a politician or the galamsey no be dia agro de. Nana Jantuah on chema cry or no between you to her. Or near MPP government, no. When it comes to galamsey, in fact, what boy go forward Chiankasa, born the Chiankasa. Now, this galamsey issue, I don't understand Dogbe. Our deputy chief of staff under Mahama government. Or can't seem be our home. Now, I know. Ana Jantuah ebu afun ko kwa pai wase Mahama enyira so onsa Stan Dogbe anase won 24 enye sa because of Stan Dogbe no Mahama ebeje ni nguase na mamuo mu enkoyi ema ono mema ntiremu no akere wadwen ama me e comment section aha Penyah Block Media me so say ni die mo obe like video no da ma subscribe button so na back the notification can of latest update na be kere wadwen de ama me e comment section be so baso no wa shi no for so enya bi ahwe entenye the issue of galamsey how a ACD o man we no enya galamsey edi o man konkono Ghana enya na abeyese obi biala na no obeka galamsey asem no ba kwa MPP ni obi biala beka galamsey asem ba kwa MPP ni ene opposition omu anomu ye fix the country activist anomu ye galamsey ahodo demonstration ahodo ani ala say omu do Ghana no na omu nyina ye cool but obi biala betunu won say obeka galamsey asem no ni a label as MPP party member emu ene ma kana Ishegbe ala say kana Ishegbe ekwa kan sem bi efa galamsey so no galamsey na Mahama no ekosoro e was owu penifo tum na si form na omu fight ye nema ye na mutimi tu galamsey nase enu amu understand Dogbe awoye deputy chief of staff ene Ken Ishegbe ekwa clash ye ochezo wonyai doka kanokura na ye ka MPP fo muna mo ye galamsey campaigns bo lebu MPP party no members na so be galamsey government Ken Ishegbe kan galamsey ho asem no wa call lebu no as we say we MPP ni other than one kana no ntu mo kan galamsey asem na eno ana ye Nana Jantuah hi no ehe ne ha deputy chief of staff is one person fighting galamsey ene sumai dia ebe wo Nana Jantuah abe clash with Stan Dogbe enye pedi akro
a friend Stan Dogbe ono a deputy chief of staff na emrebi obi ka bibi one MP for Tafo Vincent Asefua asembi baye ema so be kaya odidi MP natem MP Tafo se bia ni Stan Dogbe a ye di ni picture beto oye obi a naturally obo adwuma pa one of the hard working guys under John Mahama obi a ohwe Wezo TV no eye ne nsa no adwuma sa papa no ye multimedia na oye producer of the super morning show sa na komla domo eni kojo ponkroma eye no ewo Joy FM enti oye nsemtroni ena amanyosemunti yera John Mahama ema na kwenya sebra esan udwuma penti na besumme oye obi a osompa very loyal very loyal in fact ne picture ene da hono me sa bo ade we biem na tie ni ye me wasem bi kan ti mpacho be he no deputy chief of staff Stan Dogbe.
As I pointed out during my inaugural speech, Ghanaians have through their votes declared their intention to demand the highest standards of governance, and we cannot afford to fail them. This naturally puts a burden of responsibility on us, which we must prove equal to. Ghanaians have shown that the days of tolerance for disrespectful gaslighting by government officials are well and truly over. They will take firm action as they deem fit to punish any administration that takes them for granted. I therefore charge you to serve in humility and candor, always remembering that we serve at the pleasure of the Ghanaian people, and that the authority we exercise emanates from them. We must exhibit tolerance for their views and work to meet their aspirations. This government will not tolerate arrogance or disrespect for the people who elected us into office.
Enti Sautie Yera John Mahama as the president of Ghana. Adeɛ baako a ne tɔfani nyinaa wo boss no ne sɛ saa na aban wei adeɛ baako a ɔnsoso so ne ahantan na oyusu brɔfo bi yɛwura president yusu brɔfo bi me breaking it down na wate de nti a meyɛ de we ase graphic online ne de ato so no I said this government will not tolerate arrogance and disrespect for the people who elected us into office, he said. Yebra President John Mahama. Asema okaye sa brena na oma ministers be 6B say ya approve mo a munyi tumi na me ka kire mo say mo kwa akoye adwuma no. Ghana fo agye atum say ade ba ko mu mpe ene ahantan. Ghana ni empe eno yusu brofi bi gaslighting na yeka gaslighting one say oso ogasa unyamfa matches no enso ebia wo stove no but say unya so a ebia wo wani de wo say yaso gas no nemom gas no e de ewo ho say wo so wo stove na unyamfa matches enke sa gas na mana soja na sa wunya so a ubie gas ne de eye adwuma de aka ne se ode matches no besom na chese etimi aye adwuma a ewo se eye enti wona omu use brofo gas lighting ne se ase waso bibi a ebe peja but nipa no emfa nani hu enti se uso bibi eye jape ebe so pem na akofa asemaba nesa akwete se anoma kukune oh kune wo hihye ase aisa bola suja no oh enti e ka say you are gaslighting somebody brofo you so ni kire se asa wunim se ade ya wo ye enye wa wunim se de wo ye ne nye but opese odi patapa bi twifam na o manipa kro no a o kasa asem ni hu so nipa bonini ene ne sa brofo e friend gaslighting no wa wunim wutirimu pa se we de wa anya ade ba wo de patapa fam am ye hu se nipa ni mom na anya ade se oba be ka kire wo se wa anya ade na de ntia menia bra na no pain ni se yewra President John Mahama obon homodin pa obon homodin nemu se wan hwe ya emre bi meka bibi under Nana Akufo-Addo around April 2023 je fato so mame na ye nka ho asem that is July meka emre bi around July 2023 na President Nana Akufo-Addo ne MPP for aya hantan. President Nana Akufo-Addo de no kra de mimi hu no around 2019. Obia onim sa asem we ne ho abakosem no. Time a mimi hu se President Nana Akufo-Addo de na Ghana for ka che ne se oya hantan ni hunimu bon no ompe nipa. Sa de no mi hu no 2019 and am koka ho asem a ho asem bebre ba ye say hey adantu no akokasa na edru around 2023 no na afi de abro so enti bra me Facebook na be hwe ade a metro ye around 2023 sa bra no ma hu se MPP fo ya hantan enti metro bibi e wo me wo so say arrogance of power, a key instrument for the exit of MPP in 2008, NDC in 2016, and MPP in 2024. Politicians don't learn, we know them. make up to so a sabrena na na Akufo-Addo and then impanyufo no ka bibia no madi do attempt a hand time no more gaslight no and I sure say efa to me more hand time and then ma 2008 MPP lose ye and then ma NDC lose 2016 na no na bema MPP lose 2024 tie de meka ye no meka no 2023 man ka se ebia me na me kan catch you say MPP be lose dada obi a onimi bia meka ho asem enti way back 2023 no na minim se MPP be lose 2024 ba ko be ye ahantan ani aka ho asem a o ka that time na MPP for di watem no sa brane ye de ne ahu na na modi di atem na MPP for ye na me mfa ho because enya mu nti na me ye adwuma no na minim se MPP be lose because no my ahantan because now beka bibia omun crofo di watem na fu soldiers di watem no mu yell no mu kadi omupe. So I knew it and I said that politicians in Suadie yeni momu minim politicians na omu pe voter de omu ye ne different na omu nya ria de omu nya no e different eno ntina me ka kire wo say yenra John Mahama e ka asem bi na sa asem na o kan ye no ono ahu se MPP for afi no mu pe position no ma bromu ho ase no mu synchrophone nyoma momu na so di momu pe no ma ya hantai. It's one of the reasons pa Emma MPP lose ye no was a hantai. Sasem ye meka o man tiase. It took 2016 2024 and sa no muti sa de na se. Sabene na me catch them so me lose 2024 omunyi nida because to them they were breaking the aid. Me mawa bako semubi me say the man MPP Lucy 2008 was a hand time from ministers under Akufo. The man 2016 NDC we elusuye was a hand time under John Mahama in appointees. Nipa ba kwa no ka ho ema omulusu vote pa eye papa e friend Stan Dogbe no. Stan Dogbe. He was one arrogant chap. Ana under nana you can say John Mahama. And your man no ye John Mahama bresuno. It was so annoying. No kahu. Sabrene Sam George Felix Kwache. Okuje to ablakwa. Stan Dogbe ne ebusianfo bi. Omukasa nye. Ene okuje to ablakwa we suade. Felix Kwache suade. Aka ono ne Sam George. Sam George miana na no mbeka no wasem, but the arrogance and the arrogant posture of Sam George sometimes it's annoying. Ghana form pesa, Ghana form pesa a hantai no. Ghana form pesa. Now no Stan Dogbe who did you be at him? Who did a whole member of parliament at him? Say wakako busa bibi. You insulted a member of parliament. Emma me betra hakacho say Jaisa and Kwadasem no because you are the deputy chief of staff. Emma yet say we are deputy chief of staff and you na akasa. Who back room? You do your work administratively. I told you, Stan Dogbe, you are becoming arrogant. You have always been arrogant. Me the first time okuku na demekochiano. Na the poster o yema me no enye okuku na born ani kire me anka me keka ma adwene kire no. The first time okuku cast Stan Dogbe wa ha me enkochiano. I say that's the kind of Ewurade Nyankopon. Na okuku na born ani kire me say my enko na sa na otie. He's always been arrogant. Stan Dogbe. Obia nka nkire no na no me kan. Me said your good John Mahama anima say 2016 was Stan Dogbe. The same thing was I say. Na dientia. Ken Ashibe eye obia wa ye adwuma kra o multimedia pen. Or you very experienced. Or one announce. Now so one of the things menim pass why when it comes to galamsey sa papa Ken Ashibe on na ka media for bom say yen central for yen so be ye coalition bi na yetimi e the pressure to Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo so muntie o for timer or this coalition ni ba ni ntie sabra na yewura Nana Akufo-Addo na be 3 months pen no aba aban mu yen fan to Facebook ni enche timer media coalition omu say galamsey yemma president enhwe ha. Look at the time. April 3. Mechewa debi. April 3. Na say 3rd of April 2017. Nana Akufo-Addo aba January, February, March, April. Just less than 3 months into his government. And a media coalition against galamsey and omu lanche ye no be lanche no china, which was 4th of April 2017. Tio, Nana Akufo-Addo baso no January, February, March, April. And a media for ye de pressure to Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo so. Media for Tio, ye mubi. Ye de go Nana Akufo-Addo so no. When it comes to galamsey, me see Nana Akufo-Addo ni time 4 months or say 3 months into his time, and ye do go ni so say galamsey no unfix it. Sabra no na NDC for mani agye. Sabra no na NDC for mani agye. Sabra no na NDC for mo boy abaso. Sabra no na Stan Dogbe ni na busa for mo we. Sabra na kenashigbe ono na ye the leader. Pressure were the two MPP for so at that time. Say Nana Akufo-Addo fix it. Yeah, the pressure to Musa say Nana Akufo-Addo, you can say John Mahama buy and chair. Only the entire the pressure and also because by 2016 Nana mube free so no. Namun Crawford so say so no. It in so no and say Nana Akufo-Addo time unkwao. From time and Nana you can say President John Mahama Muma buy be free so no. Now him time galamsey yeah den ukruma. Galamsey no yeah den from 2012. In fact way back 2011. By 2012 no and I remember that was the time I meet to say hey it's a China phobia ba now you 2012 under John Mahama me say and yes say galamsey issue no start excavators a doors no e shall under President John Mahama ne breso John Mahama part 1 and a China for the excavator betu 2 left and right and by 2016 no na aye ye no musu ntimi solve it. Eti Nana Akufo-Addo obaye no na galamsey no atiatese and ye the pressure tone so say by April no 4 months and now say obaye ncheye sa issue na and ye the pressure to so no Nana Akufo-Addo beto ye na enye se wono na baye na galamsey unfortunately wono so baye no and jemua na ye west because NDC form the campaign and 2020 Ojem nchonu ehun say according to MPP omo say because NDC for the year campaign no onko ka ho hwe and ojem ma party here sika MPP for no so 2 year left and right esen so ne kra and na wasaba president baye no the pressure de to Nana Akufo-Addo ye de bi to ne so wonye adwuma Kenashigbe at that time no or the pressure to MPP so na president a friend Penyah say mummani emfa adwene and na Kenashigbe kase ade na ekoso no president enyoma bi wo ho a enye wuntumi nko a na etu ade no adenti na ase wuntumi nko a na modi mani esi ne so ba ye wo NDC fo bi so a omu ye sa galamsey. I'm not talking about small scale mining. I am not talking about small scale mining. But enya wuntumi nko a na yesusu say wasa asase no ye wo NDC fo bi a omu so sa asase no enti adenti na onhwe we onfa wani nhwe ho and he's speaking as an expert now can we a deputy chief of staff Stan Dogbe say the okokaye no na ban ebasoa 8 years into to him no just because Kenashigbe akwa say yere John Mahama mfa na ni nhwe nkofo beyond NDC MPP no all of a sudden a deputy chief of staff say now ban tena so 8 years which is MPP says all of a sudden why MPP ni nipa now one man na Akufo-Addo one tona de bia oka galamsey ho asem de bia ye ka no ho asem de bia o ka se galamsey no na Akufo-Addo ne nkofo ye disappoint all of a sudden o ka bia che John Mahama say on fix here Stan Dogbe sebi you are just a deputy chief of staff ye na ye hwew because Stan Dogbe you were nobody from 20 whatever 2017 to 2024. You were nobody. Eya kwenya yen ye tua woka. And now, yen papa John Mahama say, sa arrogance, gaslighting, sa obia kabibi, na ebia ontiase, na beto to ayam pia chere no no, jai. Stan Dogbe say, John Mahama, and you're not better obey. That is the implication. Because sa utifie, now papa si men kabibi, hwe wano kasa ye, na wada so kasa ade na, eye nyoma mienu, ida se, o papa no epene so, ana se, wan kasa no aso aye den se obeye de obeye. Because this is the second time, na NDC for muntie, ye mu bi no, ye beka, but ebia wode udo party na nti ye kan obeye de ope, no problem. Ye ya tena fie ha ye hu mo no, ye hu fu soldiers. The MPP for be ya umu ye. The no me so me ye bia umu ye amfa. Enti ye wo se ye kasa asem no. Now de o party abentu be ka, wo de ka de obeka. Me say MPP for me e ka ni say ya. Omo beba social media be di atema attack wo social akeka nyoma basa ba ni ejinem. Bibia mpusu yen. Enya wuwa banti na bepusu. Me mentina ha because of ye NDC. Na makasa asemwe. Yera John Mahama, president. Nipa ba ko besa gu anima asese wanhwe ya nkasa nkyere na adwuma de perfect. De bia me bom nsema no. I think he's one of the best when it comes to organization and administrative. But Stan Dogbe eya hantan or ye arrogant. President John Mahama say one to nefo na oda so ya. This is the second time men fu soldiers know tie de Ghana for ka, because you see some of us eya no mu refi say ye will influence ye kan muntie kanahyiwe nipa media edinachi, because galamsey issue no say we wa adwen say obey ne basa wa ban ebe enim begu ase. Se nipa na ka asem President John una wo kan you say yembra ena panyin no twa adwen si so say galamsey no enye wuntumi na NDC for nso ye bi. All of a sudden o deputy chief of staff captain so MPP ni na ban tena so no de no ye. That's an insult. That is arrogance. And you see the foot soldiers in so defender and conquer day can ashigwe ye nim de oye ai bena me catch you say ye mubi ye hwe akiri. Arrogance of power nkwa timi ma nipa etutiawo. Arrogance ubetimi aye bibia na so hantan alone. NDC for na chrese Stan Dogbe ni huni mu bon no asem we na me kwaka ye that time na no mu chusu na po MPP for antimase me catch na wo say MPP na po be hamo mantie MPP for ni didi atam ye tan no nkofo se me tan Stan Dogbe. Why should say oye den ontua me ka ontimi ntua me ka ontimi nhwe me oja say ebra bia wa bono mani mbre no. I don't need his money for anything. Me husumi. I am okay. I am okay. I don't need him. On hear me na me here no. But right now no. Essence baby or no. On to me behave like an ordinary person. Me say yera John Mahama. So when they stand up and call begu anima say. A hand tanya sama wo kan na no. Unipa elba. De bia wo ye bi onso na aka se obi ka bibi mpo na wonti ase a ema appointee bia nkototo ayampia, but somebody closer to you Stan Dogbe ena etoto ayampia no. First odidi MP atem, second odidi Penyah, one didi wo atem o kira wo se galamsey fight no enya wuntumi nko a na emom NDC fo ni so ye bi anka we kra no wo amu papa uti ne feso one didi obi atem umpa wo say womunyiro mu hu no munya adwuma ni yie na ye dan na chief of staff always arrogant. Me kan na po de se na po huni mu bon no na NDC fo twitwa NDC fo no mu twitwa no mu de aye campaign at the time na me di good na Akufo-Addo so ya hantan na po ya hantan no NDC for mu twitwaye e de ye campaign e ma ne tonkrofo asum me na mundi Stan Stan Dogbe ye can say now untia no problem de bia me ka me say ye can say now so untia no problem say na Jantuah ne multimedia ye can now so untia no problem obetimi atra social media so ba ye na nkrofo tie ye ye na nkrofo tie ye MPP for ye say ye ka say ye na nkrofo ye kasa nkrofo tie enti era John Mahama adwuma pa wa ye me ba me bebo abaso ba Stan Dogbe so wa ma na njai kasa because ne kasa ne nye ne kasa na etan ne kasa na ahi obema wanim agu ase speak to him NDC for atwan wa hia nim said this man is arrogant but omunka because omusro deputy chief of staff ye nsro because I don't care but he serve us or no os sum yen enye ne sum no yentie ye maame baako MP for Trobu ne yentie die ntie a ose MPP lusu ye yentie no
amai Trobo anya so tiom ene dome kwa Penyah ye assure say doctor kawakomato yem ye be ye adwuma na ye de obeba me call dome market say me kwa akoto ade me call ye ema ewo dwomu ho ba ku mo se enye honorable Gloria ni ena omu nyina betwa me hu hia ye asem a me kan onyankopon ne osoro eye me dance ni asem a maame ba ku bie na no kan se mu de MPP fo se mu nim na mu ye mistake na ma ankofa Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ama mo bewe 2028 na ba ku ne de yempe obi a sebi obeba bekasa etia obi doctor media mi gidi se any parliament a mewura no Trobo anya so tiom any dome kwa Penyah ye assure say doctor kawakomato yem ye be ye adwuma na ye de obeba me call dome market say me kwa akoto ade me call ye ema ewo dwomu ho ba ku mo se enye honorable Gloria ni ena omu nyina betwa me hu hia ye asem a me kan onyankopon ne osoro eye me dance ni asem a maame ba ku bie na no kan se mu de MPP fo se mu nim na mu ye mistake na ma ankofa Dr. Mamudu Bawumia ama mo bewe 2028
ono ye wasema oka but the key thing was that I see we lost last year's election because of our attitude I see esubai enye but then yen go back na yentie President John Mahama biem ntie me one of the things are obi obemi enim obi obemi me so me manage nipa for the past 13 years me manage talents for almost 13 years ni me manage talents here emabunu ne wona wo mu peso mu ye media ne other places obi obemi a oye me manager ade ba ko a me ka che ne say me no me mpa hantan nti ade a me pen ne say any of my managers ebe ya hantan they know omo bemi as managers nti de bia me ka say me bana me bebusa because tell bia because mama obi atimi ba me office obi atimi ba me office etole bia na me ya meeting ade a me pen no me students am che o ma de omo be me kra chen obia because I don't like situations say uwo akwanya bi no aye pampen eno no me hu say nkrasesem say wo tumi nti yen kan wasem no ahonhono aden de nko aye wan brafom unya obia ubewu ena me wo fa ekosie ne simple okọ ede ya na ensi ene ma position anam ya dwesa eno so ya na efrihi ede nko a na enemrem pa enemrem be bia wiase aduri ya ma position na we ya hantan yen kan wasem wo ye hwan me person me tia say wo ye hwan yen kan wasem because wo ye hwan minister wo ye hwan professor doctor Oye hwan, oye sofo. Oye hwan, oye radio presenter. Enti dian. Ah. Me na me hu obi oya hantan a enya ni bie kra, enya ni bie twam. Bra form na ni pantimi ne wonkasa. Ohini mu bon dodo. Yera John Mahama assembly na me say bosu bi.
As I pointed out during my inaugural speech, Ghanaians have, through their votes, declared their intention to demand the highest standards of governance, and we cannot afford to fail them. This naturally puts a burden of responsibility on us, which we must prove equal to. Ghanaians have shown that the days of tolerance for disrespectful gaslighting by government officials are well and truly over. They will take firm action as they deem fit to punish any administration that takes them for granted. I therefore charge you to serve in humility and candor, always remembering that we serve at the pleasure of the Ghanaian people, and that the authority we exercise emanates from them. We must exhibit tolerance for their views and work to meet their aspirations.
Inti also we must exhibit tolerance for their views. Inti se Ghana nino or say adie we mempe. Eni kwanso kodidi natem sana no oka. O say Ghana fo hu say we are hantan a yempe. Inti yen ya som no yen kai say we serve at their pleasure. Brofone ne say we serve at their pleasure ne say the Ghana for pen was say yem. Inti wo ye bibi ne say yempa untimi nkasa chenchene twa. Wo ye ade wo galam say Ghana ni ne so won pega the way we see solve no yempe sa ade na. E wo so utie men kasa nipa no sabi wagimi nipa no nim de oka. Ade no no. Ade no no. NDC for mo amunim asemi a mo ba mframa minim de e na de ntina musuro sa me ade anya me kasa anya o minim ye because me nya hantan ntimi hu de ntia wo so wo be ya hanta wo me wo ye sakra me ntiase wo ye hwan anya na ahwe obi o ye ne ehwe o. The difference is that me enya aban na hwe me ye ne ehwe aban ye ne ehwe President John Mahama ye ne ehwe Stan Dogbe. That's the difference. V8 na mutiti no yen ye to petrol mamo. Sebi President John Mahama nim ena woso. Na no yewura kan bibi. O say Nana Akufo-Addo wanim ena Ghana for ballot box no ne ballot paper no. Wo wanim o enye Stan Dogbe. Enti ade bi wo ho a jai. Tia nipa no hu ni se jai. Me manager we yesa me mma wo kwan kra we hwan. Se oba be sisi obi akrakoto a oni tumi na wo sisi no memo yi meyi wasi nchen am obi aye. Go and ask Oma me manager wo ye panyi na me kasa ma adwuma bi na me ba na the way I see kasa kire nkra no the way I see ye nyoma meyi wasi nchen am obi aye. Meji position afru nsem because at the end of the day eye me manim ena wo so enya wo ye John Mahama wanim ena Ghana fo hwe. Sa wo hye na wo mo nketenkete na Ghana for kan say na wo ntie na wo yi wani na wo ntia no na wo ye say na wo kan e bedru ba bi no na ye too late one asa kan me say repeat nsem a wa wo kan ye me say bobiem.
This government will not tolerate arrogance or disrespect for the people who elected us into office. This government will not tolerate arrogance or disrespect for the people who elected us into office.
Kofi, yemfenwi nafe yemko galam say issue no quickly nafe.
Yeah, Nana. Let me say last time na me about Stan Dogbe asemi bra woni asefua na ototo no ma emane no na MP na wo hwe ensem no atim didie ni ade a odaroma mi ni kakra ma me na.
Ewo. We no.
Yes.
We
sure.
We
there be enye no. Obi ni eno.
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.